param Vasudeva param gatim. जन्मादस्येतो नन्मयाति ततश्चाप्तेष्वभिज्ञास्वरार्थेने ब्रह्महृदयादिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजो वारिमृतां यथा विनिमयो यत्यत्रिसर्गो मृषाम् आम्नां सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि. Hare Krishna. Oh, once again, this is again. We have to go to chapter 2:1, right? Chapter 1. Yeah. Who is ready to read today verses? You please raise your hand, so that purport we don't need. See what I was thinking every day? One person can recite the verses so that you can practice also. Is it not? Okay. So we are supposed to start from second part. That is Arjuna Uvacha, right? 20, I think. Yeah, 21. Yes. Who is ready now? Arjuna Uvacha. Whose hand is up for reading verses? Yes, Loknath Prabhu, go ahead.
Okay, Mataji. अर्जुन उवाच सैन्यैर्भैर्मध्ये रथम स्थाप्य मे अच्युत्य यवदा तेन वीक्ष्यं योद् कमान् अवस्थितान् कर्म्य स योद् सिम्रन् समुद्मे.
Translation, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can you lower? Mataji.
Huh? Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Mataji. Okay. Mataji, English purport.
English. You want in English or Sanskrit, Prabhu? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
I'm not able to hear. Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. अर्जुन उवाच सैन्यैर्भैर्मध्ये रथम स्थाप्य मे अच्युत्य एवद् निरीक्ष्यं योद् कमान् अवस्थितान् कर्म्य स योद् व्यं सिम्रन् समुद्मे.
Translation.
O Arjuna said, "O infallible one, please draw my chariot between the two armies so that I may see those present here who desire to fight and with whom I must contend in this great trial of arms."
Yes, Prabhu.
योत्स्यमानान् अवक्ष्य हम ये इत्यत्र समागता धृतराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् युद्धे प्रिया चिकीर्षवा. Let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. Sanjay Uvacha एवं मुक्तो हर्षिकेशो गुडाकेशन भारत सेनियोर उभयोर मध्ये स्थापित्व रथोत्तमम्.
Hare Krishna. So till here we read yesterday, correct, Prabhuji? Arjuna is telling Krishna to take the chariot to the field, in the center of both the armies. This we saw yesterday. Yes, Prabhu, continue. You continue till 29. Yeah, okay.
भीष्म द्रोण प्रमुक्ता सर्वेषां च महिक्षितां वाच पार्थ पश्येतान् संवेतान् कुरुनीति. In the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all other chieftains of the world, the Lord said, "Just behold, Partha, all the Kurus assembled here." Tatra pashyati sthitan Partha pitra ata pitamahan acharyan matulan bhartran putran potran sakhim tata suvesuran suhadras cheva senior ubyor api.
So 2 times he is saying senior ubyor api, right? First he started with senior ubyor api. He is ending with the same. Yeah.
There Arjuna could see within the midst of the armies of both parties his fathers, grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his fathers-in-law and well-wisher. Tan तान् संक्ष्य स कौन्तेय सर्वान् बन्धून् अवस्थितान् कृपया पर्याविष्टो विसदन्त दम ब्रवीत. When the son of Kunti, Arjuna, saw all these different grades of friends and relatives, he became overwhelmed with compassion and spoke thus. Arjuna
Okay.
Vacha.
Hare Krishna. Till here we finished. So now where are we? Arjuna gave instruction and Krishna took the chariot. Arjuna saw everybody, his relatives are standing. Now Arjuna's mood changes. From here only it is very, very important for Bhagavad Gita. Actually, Bhagavad Gita, what do you call that? The seed for sowing the Bhagavad Gita starts from verse number 28. Hare Krishna. Read, Prabhu.
Arjuna Vacha. दृष्ट्वं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सं समुपस्थितं सिदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति.
Drishtvevam swajanam, parajana, others. Swajana, our own, kith and kin, we say no in English. Okay, he saw everybody there. Sidanti mama gatrani. Gatrani is a very, very important word. Gatrani means what? Sidanti mama gatrani. His body is shivering. His, hands and whole body is shivering.
Drying up.
Yes, Prabhu.
Arjuna said, my dear Krishna, seeing my friends and relatives present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel the limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up.
See, he is so surprised. My own relatives are standing in front of me to fight. How can I fight? Like that he is thinking.
वेत्थुष्य शरीरे में रोम हर्षश्च जायते गांडीवम शास्त्रे हस्ताक्षेव परिदहते सांस्रते हस्तात्वाक्षेव परिदहते.
So hastat, from his hand, Gandivam is falling down.
My whole body is trembling, my hair is standing on end, my bow Gandiva is slipping from my hand, and my skin is burning.
Hare Krishna. 1 minute, Prabhu. So here, see these same symptoms we see some other time also. Can anyone tell what I mean? I'll repeat my question. See, the same symptom, what we are seeing here, that trembling and burning, all these symptoms happens twice. One, when we are very, very afraid of something, the krodh. Krodhan bhavati sammohan, sammoha smriti vibhramaha. Second chapter, there is one beautiful verse. Krodhan bhavati sammohan. When the anger does not see its limit, what happens? Our memory bewilders. When our memory bewilders, we lose our stand only. So, like that twice happen. One is spiritually it happens. Another one is materially it happens. Materially it happens when there is a fear. If somebody very close to us pass away, we won't know what to do. Our brain will not be able to think like that, isn't it? Another, spiritually. What is this spiritually? Ecstatic mood. Like best example is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he chants and dances, his body shrinks like anything. See, twice or thrice, when in Shiva Sangan and other places, when he was chanting in full ecstasy, his body shrank like anything. His limbs went inside. Like the tortoise withdraws its body, no? Like that his body shrink. So ecstatic mood also, same thing happen. Materially, when we are very, very fearful, that time also it happens. So this is a very important verse. These are the symptoms of materially becoming ecstatic, materially becoming fearful, spiritually becoming ecstatic. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu.
न च शक्नुम्य अवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि Vipritani Keshava.
Very again important. Two words are extremely important. Nimittani cha pashyami. Here. Yes. Nimittami and also viparitani. Viparitani is like whatever I am seeing, everything seems to be opposite. See, we say, but sometimes if somebody very close do not come home on time, our children do not come home on time, immediately the brain will think about viparitani only, opposite only it will think. And nimittani, what are the causes it could be within? Why my son has not come? What has happened to him? Why it is getting very late? Like that, immediately our brain will start thinking viparitani, what we are not supposed to think. So like that here, Arjuna is also thinking. So these two words, nimittani and viparitani, both are extremely important. And Keshava is also important. Why Keshava is important? Keshava is important because Krishna is addressed as Keshava. The reason he killed one demon known as Keshi. Keshi demon, it's like Arjuna is telling, oh Krishna, in my mind also, all these doubts are coming. What kind of doubts? Viparitani, opposite doubts. What if it happens, if it happens? So these doubts are like Keshi demon. These doubts are like Danavas. These doubts are like Asuras. So please, as you killed the Keshi Asura, you kill these doubts from my mind. My mind is thinking Viparitani. Understand? So the important, that is why. Cause for this opposite reasons, why it is coming in my mind. So kindly, as you killed Keshi demon, kill all these doubts from my mind. Yes, Prabhu.
Nacha Shiryo Nupushyami Hatva Sva Janam Ahave Na Kanshe Vijam Krishna Nacha Rajyam Sukhani Cha.
Very important verse again. There is no enjoyment, he is saying, after killing them.
I do not see how any good can come from killing my own kinsman in this battle, nor can I, my dear Krishna, desire any subsequent victory, kingdom, or happiness.
Yes, here. Nacha Rajyam Sukhanicha. That kind of Rajyam I don't need. How that kind of Rajyam in which after killing my own kith and kin, if I get, will there be any happiness? I don't want that. And also, okay, maybe if I win also, what will happen? If I win, I may be happy. This is what we think. But it is not like that. Krishna, after killing my own kith and kin, see this Swajana, again it has come. We started the verse today with Swajana. Same way he is saying, our own kith and kin, own kinsman. After killing them, whatever Rajyam I am going to get, I am not going to get any happiness in that. Okay, we will come back. 32 to 35 we will try today. But before that, we will see the, where are the verse? We will see. So this is section 2. It is starting from 28 today. Anybody else who wants to read the slides? Hare Krishna.
May I, Mataji?
Yeah, read Mataji.
Arjuna's doubt. Arjuna's mind reels, thinking how this battle will finish his family and its traditions. He sees great sinful reactions awaiting him if he kills his family members, feeling it better to be killed unarmed than to fight. Arjuna, his mind overwhelmed with grief, casts aside his bow and sits down with his chariot. Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna.
Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. See here. What do you think? What qualities Arjuna is depicting here? Can anyone of you tell? Just you can unmute and tell. What kind of qualities you see in Arjuna here? Hare Krishna. He is feeling compassion for his family people. He is thinking that after doing so much of sin.
Karuna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes,
Karuna
very
Mataji.
nice. Beautiful. Karuna. Mercy. Very good. Excellent. Compassion. Then?
Indecision.
Okay. He's
It
not
is
able to.
Mataji, it is a material fearful.
He's fearful. Okay, materially fearful. Mataji caught the point. So we saw no two, and spiritually and materially. This is materially inclined. So he's very, very afraid. Very good. Then
Third place, Mataji, Nishaya.
Seen. Seen, Mataji, seen.
but okay, but what characteristics is revealed here? Krishna's
Seen.
characteristics.
Krishna's
Come
characteristics.
again, Loknath Prabhu.
Seen. Seen.
Seeing. Seeing. Can you explain what quality is that?
He does not wanted to kill his family members due to sin will occur then.
Sin. Okay, very nice. Beautiful. Sinful reactions. It's written here, no? If I kill, how much sin will come? So he believes in sin. What kind of people believe in sin? Two types of people we saw. You remember? Khara and Akshara. Fallible and infallible. What kind of people will think killing people is fallible, sinful? Hare Krishna. Okay.
One who kidnaps other wife
Uh,
and one who fire the other's home
correct.
and one who stolen the other's richest money.
Excellent. Very good. That is coming behind. 6 kinds of aggressor. Correct. Right, Prabhuji. That will come after, I think, verse number that will come in 36. Yeah. 6 kind of aggressor. Beautiful. One who takes others' property, one who means plunders others rich, one who puts others into fire, and one
who
who
kidnaps other wife.
Yeah, others' wife. Very correct. Good. 6. We'll see in 36 verse number. But here it is shown as, see, there are 2 kinds of people, Asura and Deva. So Arjuna is depicting the qualities of Devatas, not Asuras. Daivasura Sampat Vibhaga Yoga, 16th chapter, you remember? Abhayam Sattvam Samshuddhir Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Dhanandamascha Yajnascha Swadhyaya Tapa Arjavam Swadhyayam Tapa Marjavam Dhanam Damashtam Abhayam. All these things are Devatas Guna. And then it comes, what is that? Asura quality. Asura qualities comes from the 3rd verse. Where is the book? My book is missing. Hare Krishna. 16th chapter. 16th chapter, 4th verse onwards. Asura qualities comes. What are they? Asuras are always Dambo Darpo Vimanascha Krodha Parushyam. So that is 16.4 onwards. Dambam, Abhimanam, Paurusham. Right? Pride, all these things. They are Asura qualities. So in the 28th verse, in the purport, Srila Prabhupada is referring this verse. 3.2.21. 28th verse. Yeah, sorry. 28th verse, Prabhupada is quoting 5:18, this one. 5:18:12. Okay. So what is this? What are these qualities? This is in the 28th verse. Yasyasti bhaktir bhagavat kinchana akinchana. Bhagavatya akinchana. So what is akinchana? Akinchana is a person who does pure devotional service. What is pure devotional service? 2 words we have seen. Akhaituki, apratighata. Akhaituki means what? Without any expectation, unmotivated. Pure bhakti means we don't expect anything from the Lord. So that is akinchana. Here you see in the word meaning, akinchana. Are you able to see? Without any motive. So akinchana here, yes, without any motive. So this word you remember. Another word for ahaituki. Ahaituki also without any motivation, without expecting anything from the Lord. So, Yatyasyati Bhaktir Bhagavatya Akinchana. Sarvair Gunai Tatra Samasate Suraha. Suraha. Sura means Devatas. So, Devatas have this quality. What quality? They don't expect anything from the Lord. They have all the good qualities. They only want to do devotional service. Bhakti, bhaktir. Okay, they want to do bhakti without any motivation, akinchana. These people are known as always suras, devatas. Okay. So what is the meaning here? It is given beautiful. Note down these words. All the demigods, devatas, and their exalted qualities. What are they? They are very religious. They have knowledge. They are renounced. They are not in this material platform. They become manifest in the body. So I told, no, when Satvika Bhava manifests in the body, what is it known as? Satvika Bhava manifests in the body means they are very, very ecstatic. Those people are very, very ecstatic. And the qualities are known as ecstasy of one who has developed. See, again, unalloyed, it came, akinchana, unalloyed devotion. So, actually, very frankly speaking, one word will come here. That is order carrier. We saw yesterday also. You saw? Krishna acted as order carrier. Arjuna was telling in the war, Krishna, go here. Krishna, go there. Krishna, turn back. Krishna, go up. Like that. So Krishna became an order carrier. The same thing we do, we go. Every one of us do. We go to temple, we tell Krishna, you give me this. If you give me this, what I will do? I will get a new clothes for you. You do this for me. I will like in Tirupati they say, 5 kilo tola, sona, like that there. So you give me, you become my order carrier. You give me whatever I want. I will give you 100 sovereign gold. Like that people pray. Some people pray. What do they pray? You give a very good, admission in very good university for my son or daughter. I will do that rolling, Anga Pradakshanam we call it as. I will come to your temple and I will roll 3 times in your Sannidhi. Like that we all keep giving order to the Lord. And the poor Lord, he wants to see us happy, no? So he carries out our order. How many of you have this experience? Very sincerely tell me, I have this experience. I have prayed many times. Lord, you give me this, I will do this. So the Lord becomes order carrier, right? Nobody, none of you pray like this. Wow, you all are real devotees, that means. Excellent. But I have done many times. Krishna, please obey to my order. I will do these things to you, like that. Very nice. You all have not done. I'm really very happy to know that. Excellent. Okay. So, we all make Krishna as our order carrier. But we should, on the other hand, viparitani, opposite to that, what should we do? We should pray the Lord unalloyed, without any expectation from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna. Yeah, many times Lakshman Prabhu is saying, every day we do this. In the morning when we wake up only, we will wake up like that only. Krishna, today I'm going to have a very important meeting with my boss. I'm really scared. You only have to, help me. And the meeting is very nicely, it is over. After the meeting, without any problem over, we come out and we say, what do we say? Krishna, anyway, the meeting went very well. My boss is very happy with you. So, I want to, please give me promotion. We don't even remember, with Krishna's mercy, Krishna was present there. That is why the meeting went on well. No, we come out and say, we did everything on our strength only. Oh, Krishna, that meeting went up very well. So you do one thing, my boss is very happy now. Why don't you please get me promotion? We forgot even we asked Krishna for the meeting to go very smoothly. This is what happens in life. Before we get one thing, we forget that Krishna only gave that. We give another order to Krishna. On the other hand, a person devoid of devotional service and engaged in material activities has no good qualities. So Krishna was very, very, devotionally inclined. That is why he said, Krishna, I can't kill them. Even if he is adept at the practice of mystic yoga or honest endeavor of maintaining his family and relatives, he must be driven by his own mental speculations and must engage in the service of the Lord's external energy. Lord has got 3 energy. Okay. Apareyam itaswanyam prakritim vidhi me param jivabhutam yadaba jivabhutam mahabaho yedam dharyate jagate. Apareyam itaswanyam, exterior energy. And jivabhuta mahabaho, we living entities come from second, that is which is stronger than the inferior energy. That is a tatastha, marginal energy. So the Lord has got 3 energies. What are they? Exterior energy, which is very, very inferior. Marginal energy, which is stronger than the inferior energy. There's one energy which is the strongest. That is interior, internal potency. With the external potency, the Lord creates the material world, Maya. And from the tatastha, marginal energy, he creates these human beings who are stronger than the Maya. But Maya is very, very difficult to overcome. You remember that because Mama Maya Durateya. Krishna says, Daivigeshya Gunamayi, Mama Maya Durateya. This Maya Shakti is my own Shakti. That is why we are not able to overcome that, though it is inferior. We should not say, Mataji, you said Maya Shakti is inferior Shakti, why we are not able to? Maya Shakti is Lord's energy. Though we living beings are created from with the Tatastha Shakti, we can never overcome this Maya Shakti. That we should know. Unless and until we enter to the Lord. Maya Nyetam Tarantite. Krishna says, Daivigesha Gunamayi, Mamaya Durateya. But what will happen? Mayayam ye prapatyante. Once you surrender to me, Mayam yetam tarantite. I will help you to overcome this material energy. I will help you to overcome this Maya. Krishna is telling, right? So he must be driven by his own mental speculation. Once we do not understand this, we will, it is like, bhakti without jnana is only speculation. It is not the bhakti. Jnana is also important. What kind of knowledge? Knowledge which explains about the Lord. Like this is one knowledge. What knowledge is this? The Lord has got 3 potency: exterior, marginal, and internal potency. Internal potency is the strongest, and marginal or tatastha potency is weaker than the internal potency. Aparemitasvanyam, exterior potency, that is the most inferior one. This kind of knowledge we should have. Okay. So how can there be any good qualities in such a man who does not understand how to see a person devoid of devotional service and he is engaged only in material activity? How he will be able to have any good qualities? How can we expect good qualities in that man? So Duryodhana and the other people were totally engaged in their material activities. That's what Loknath Prabhu told now, no? 6 kind of aggression they did. That is why the Lord says those who have done this 6 kind of aggression, they deserve to be killed. So now Arjuna asked, no, how I can do and all. So Krishna is going to give an answer to that. But simply remember, Arjuna had these qualities. These qualities are sadhu's quality. Who are sadhus? The great sages. Very nice qualities. Titikshva. Titikshva means tolerant. What is it? Amanitva madambitva. Trinadapi shunichena. Okay? Titikshva. Karunika. Just now somebody said merciful. Suhrida. Friendly to everybody. Sarvadehinam. They consider everybody as their friend because they see the living Paramatma in everybody's body. They think, oh, he's not my friend. He is a person in whom the Paramatma is living. Like that he is seeing. Ajada Shatratva. He doesn't have any enemy. Shantava. He is very, very peaceful. Sadhavaha. That means they follow all the qualities which is given in the scripture. They follow the scriptures very, very religiously. They are known as sadhavaka. All these things are the abhushanam for the sadhus. All these things are the characteristics of sadhavas. Okay, sadhavaga sadhubhushanaha. Very important. These are the characteristics. These are the ornaments. Abhushana means ornament. These are the ornaments which the sadhus wear. Who are those sadhus? Who have all these kind of qualities. So remember this verse very well. You can by heart this verse. This is the verse, 3rd canto, 25th chapter, verse number 21, 3.2.21. By heart this. Note down and by heart. The more why we have to by heart. See, when we by heart, what happened? We keep on telling this in our Titikshva Karunika the Sarva Bhutanam, like that we will keep on telling this, isn't it? Then we will say Ajada Shatrutva Shantaga Sadhavaga Sadhubhushanam. So what will happen? All our enemies will be taken care by the Lord only. Ajada Shadhu Satruvaka. Like that, the more we tell, the Lord will take care of them. Okay? So the symptoms of the sadhu are he is tolerant. Oh, where is it? He is, one second, he is tolerant, he is merciful, he is very friendly to all living entities, and he has no enemies. He is very peaceful. He abides by scripture. Abides by scripture means sadhavaha. Sadhavaha is a very important word. Okay? Sadhavaha, sadhubhushana, characteristics of sadhus. Okay? Titikshva karunika, Suhrida Sarva Bhutanam. Okay? And Ajata Shatrutvaha, Chantaga Sadhubhushana. Chantavaga Sadhavaga Sadhubhushana. Okay, Hare Krishna. Okay. So Arjuna also has got. Why did we see this? In the 28th verse, Srila Prabhupada refers this verse, which was 5.18.12, Gunas of sadhus. Okay, Hare Krishna. Who wants to read this?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, yeah.
Hare Arjuna's reaction after seeing his relatives. Arjuna's symptoms, limbs of my body quivering and my mouth drying up. Reason, sympathy and compassion. Overwhelmed by kindness. Foreseeing their imminent death, symptoms not due to weakness but to his soft-heartedness, a characteristic of a pure devotee of the Lord. Arjuna astonished to see their fighting spirit. Genuine devotees of Lord has all godly qualities, non-devotee lack such qualities. Further symptoms, body trembling, hair standing on end, bow, slipping skin burning. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Bol. Thank you, Mataji. See, these are the qualities of a devotee. That shows that Arjuna is a great devotee of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Full Bhagavad Gita in 3 places, Arjuna, Krishna has told Arjuna, right? Arjuna, you are non-envious. You are what is it? Anaga. You are non-sinful. Anaga. And you are, what is it? You have all these godly qualities. You are my friend. You are my disciple. All these are the reason I am giving you this most secret of knowledge. What is it? Guhya, the 2nd chapter. What does it say? The word, like happiness. Sukurdam. Susukam kartum avyayam. Susukam kartum avyayam. These qualities will give us the immeasurable susukam, happiness. Jnana vidya atmaguhyam pavitram param uttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam susukam kartum avyayam. Right? So this knowledge, all these qualities will give us the eternally happy we will feel. Okay? So that is why this knowledge is known as Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam. King of all knowledge, king of all secrets. So Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitram, purest of all knowledge. Idam Uttamam, the highest knowledge. Because it gives Susukam Kartum Avyayam. Okay, Hare Krishna. So Arjuna's body trembles. Why? It can be, as I told, there are 2 things. One is great spiritual ecstasy. And where spiritual ecstasy is there people will not be afraid. Because whatever comes, they will know my Krishna is there to take care of me. There is a not Anya Bilachita. Goptrutve Sharanam Tatha. That is, we believe that Krishna will Anukulyena Krishnanu Anushilanam Pratikulyena Varjitam. We have to adapt which are favorable to Krishna. Pratikulyena Varjitam. We have to avoid what is not favorable for Krishna. Goptrutve Varanam Tata. Goptrutve Varanam Tata. And we should trust whatever the Lord gives us, that is the best for us. That is Sharanagati. These are the 6 symptoms of surrendering to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So one who has got all these 6 qualities, that Krishna will protect me without any doubt, they are a surrendered soul. But here, Arjuna's symptom is not because of spiritual ecstasy. Arjuna's symptom is because of great fear. He is scared. If I kill them, I will be a part to sin. These all are sinful action. Okay? So what Arjuna is doing, he is putting his Gandiva away. He is saying, my heart is burning, skin is burning. These all are totally material symptoms. Material symptom, I am not this body, I am the spirit soul. That is the transcendental knowledge. But I am this body. He is thinking, I am going to kill everybody. I will be a root cause for this sin. And this sin will taunt me. Like what is taunting? The night, it will come like a bhuta in front of me. Ghost. It will come and make me fried. Like that and all he is thinking. Okay? Hare Krishna. Arjuna see only causes of misfortune. Right? What are the misfortune he is seeing? Arjuna is, first of all, he is forgetting himself. He is not able to remember anything. Where am I? What is happening to me? What am I going to do? Why? Because he is so afraid. He is very scared of killing his own people. That shows the weakness of mind. In weakness of mind. Hirdaya Daurbalyam. In 15th chapter also, and in 2nd chapter also, Krishna talks about a lot about Hridaya Daurbalyam. One's heart, when it is very weak, it will not be able to take the right decision. So we have to develop all those divine qualities. What are they? Just now we saw. Titikshva, Karunika, Sukrita, Sarva Bhutanam. Right? Ajada Shatratva, Sadavaha, Shantavaha. All these 6 qualities, right? We have to develop in us. Then we will not have fear. Whatever happens, Krishna knows the best. Any problem coming, Krishna, you know. That is what is surrendered soul. The soul which is surrendered to Krishna, they will not be afraid of anything. So now, but what is it? Viparitani, Visano, opposite to all these things. What Arjuna is seeing here, Arjuna is seeing only misfortune. Arjuna is seeing that he will not be happy. Arjuna is saying that he will not be happy even after winning. Why? Because many of them would have already died in the battle. Is it not? So these are the 2 words I told you. You remember? Nimitani. Nimitani means causes visa. Viparitani, all opposite visa. 2 words we saw in the verse right now, correct? So one is a frustration. Why he is getting frustrated? Because he is thinking that all will be killed. So if all of them are killed, even winning is equal to failing. Winning is not equal to winning. Jitna nahi hoga. After killing everybody, if I win, what is the use of that success? Is it not? That's what Arjuna is saying. I don't want that success. Instead, he will say at the end of this chapter, instead, I am ready to stand nirahatya without any weapon in my hand. I prefer that Duryodhana's army can kill me without weapon also, because that is considered to be the most sinful, right? We cannot kill a person who has turned his back and running away from the battle. We can't kill. And we can't kill a person who is Nirahatya, who does not have any weapon in his hand. That is why that, who is that? Ashwatthama. Ashwatthama, one is Ashwatthama, Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, he went into the Chakravyuha. He did not know how to come out, isn't it? And these people killed him. All this Kaurava family, all the great warriors, they assembled. Chakravyuha means it is an arrangement of army. Going inside is very, very difficult. But once somebody goes inside, he can easily kill everybody. Standing inside that, he can kill everybody. Chakravyuha. Chakra means we know wheel. It's like round. And we play puzzle also, no? That one small goalie will be there. We have to bring it out like that. That is Chakravyuha. Okay? Yeah. So, these people, Kaurava family people deserve only killing. That's why Krishna is telling, by killing them, you will not incur any sin at all, Arjuna. Okay? Yeah. Interested in himself and his own welfare. Who? Every living entity. We all are interested in our own welfare, right? We don't want to see others' welfare. But it is not like that. Arjuna here is seeing others' welfare. He doesn't want to kill. He is really, see the real interest of Jiva. See, real interest of Jiva should be to serve the Lord, to serve Krishna or Vishnu. A real interest of Jiva should not be selfish motive. We have to always see that Lord is pleased. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Okay. So again, why Krishna is addressed as Keshava? Because he is a killer of demon Keshav, Keshi. And Krishna is, he has killed Keshav. Arjuna is thinking, as Krishna killed Keshi demon, in my heart, so many doubts are there. So I think Krishna will kill all my doubts in my heart. Anybody having any doubt in this slide? Hare Krishna.
No, Mataji.
No? Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. So we will proceed. So all these words we saw just now. Limbs were, his limbs were quivering. Mouth was drying up. Whole body was trembling. His hair was standing on the end. And from his hand, Gandiva was slipping. His skin was burning. Legs were not able to stand. Forgetting myself and my reeling. Mind is thinking of all those things which we are not supposed to think due to weakness. Hridaya Daurbalyam. So he sees only the causes for misfortune. Okay? Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Yeah. Yes,
Mataji.
Prabhu.
Mataji, these are impurities or petty weakness of heart.
No, Prabhuji. Impurities are only Kama, Krodha, Moha, Lobha, Mada, Matsarya.
And dirtiness,
Anarthas.
Mataji?
Yeah. Yes, Prabhu.
And dirtiness?
See, these are all the symptoms. These are the reflections. These are the outcomes. But what you were asking are the impurities of the heart, right? Yes, Prabhu. I think Loknath Prabhu, you will need to, I don't know whether others are able to hear or not. Your voice is very feeble for me. Yes, Prabhu.
In second chapter, Mataji, Lord Krishna says, how have these impurities came upon you?
Yes. Correct.
And,
Krishna is telling, because these are the outcomes of Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Okay? See, he has got Kama. He has got attachment for his kith and kin. And Lobha. Of course, what Lobha he is having here, that is, he wants everyone to be safe. It is actually a greed. People who deserve to be killed should be killed. So that is why Kama, Krodha, Moha, Lobha, Mada, Matsarya, they are the causes. These are the effects. Okay, Prabhu? Yeah, right. In one verse, the first verse Krishna talks is like that only. Oh, Arjuna, do you have some brain? Where from you got all these things, impurities have taunted your heart?
Yes.
Like that he is
Yes,
asking.
Mataji. Yes.
Correct. So they
do
are
not tell to this.
Yeah, Krishna is telling Arjuna. That is correct, Prabhu. But these, what is the slide which is in front of us, these are the symptoms. Okay?
Okay, Mother.
Yeah, okay, Prabhu, did I answer your question?
Okay, okay, Mother.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Now, next verse number 31. In that also very beautiful reference Srila Prabhupada has given. Yeah, 11 to 37 in 30. 11 to 37 here. 11 to 37 in the purport. What is Srila Prabhupada is giving, you see? Bayam divitiyani bineveshatahas syadhishada petasya viparyo smritihi. See, when this, what do you call that? Bhaya. When that fear comes, we lose our memory. Tanmayayato Buddha abhajetam. Abhajetam. Okay. Bhaktai kayesham guru devatatma. Fear arises when a living entity misidentifies himself. So this is the cause. More than the kama, krodha, moha, lobha. Why these symptoms? Arjuna misidentified himself as the body. He did not understand, I am not this body, I am the soul. So he had the bodily attachment for the other people. Okay? Why again? Absorption in the external illusionary world. So he got carried away by this material attachment. When the living entity thus turns away from Supreme Personality of Godhead, he forgets his own constitutional position. What is his own position? Who knows? What is our constitutional position? It's given also. What is our constitutional position? Nitya Siddha, Seva, Dasa. Constitutional position is Jivera Swarupa Hoye, Krishnera Nitya Dasa. We are supposed to serve. That is our constitutional position. That is why in the material world, either we serve our husband or husband serves the wife, or both vice versa. Children serve the parent or parents serve the children. Till children become independent, parents serve the children. And when the parent become old, children become independent, they save the parents they serve, or we serve the boss serves somebody else. So every karma, whatever karma we do, we are serving. See, we eat food, right? So we are serving our body. We are serving. So the constitutional position is we are servants. Okay. So instead of serving this materially inclined people, it is better serve the Lord. Anyway, we have to serve. That is why we have taken birth. So karma should be akarmic activities. So what is akarmic activities? Devotional services are akarmic activity because they don't bind us. This bewildering, fearful condition is affected by the potency of illusion called Maya. What is Maya? Maya means which is not permanent. We think that is permanent. This world is not permanent. Anytime it will be perished. But we think this world is permanent. This house is mine. This house is permanent. My vehicle is permanent. My vehicle, this body is permanent. Like that and all we start thinking that is what is Maya. Therefore, an intelligent person who is intelligent, he will not engage in materially inclined activity. What he will do? An intelligent person always will be engaged in unflinchingly in the unalloyed devotional service. Okay? So intelligent person, what will he do? He will be engaged only in akarmic activity, unalloyed devotional, ahaituki, not the order giving person. We should not give order to the Lord, right? So what is it given is, we all serve our senses. That is why Govinda, we say no Govinda. Govinda, go, another meaning yesterday I told senses. So we all serve our senses. Instead, we should serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So if we start serving Him, what will happen? Automatically, see, this is the one. Arjuna not ready to fight even in exchange of 3 words. So what does this say? Govinda. See, Goswami, Godasa. Go means senses. A person who has one, W-O-N, who has been past tense one, no? So that one who has a person who has won his senses or who has controlled his senses. Okay, that you will be able to understand. A person who has controlled his senses, he is known as Goswami. A person who is slave to the senses, who has not controlled his senses, they are Godasa. So Goswami and Godasa. So Go is not only cow protector, Go also represents the senses here. So Arjuna indicates Krishna should understand what will satisfy his senses. See, that is why Arjuna is Krishna is telling, Arjuna, you're so mean. Now Prabhu asked now the first verse in second chapter. Why? Because Krishna should be served with these senses. Instead, Arjuna wants to serve his own senses. Arjuna wants to give happiness to his own senses by not fighting. That is a problem there. But Govinda is not meant to satisfy our senses. If we try to satisfy Govinda's senses, Krishna's senses, our senses will automatically be satisfied. Because if we pour water in the root, leaves, fruits, flowers, everything is satisfied. If we put food into our stomach, it gives strength to eyes, nose, hands, legs, etc. Is it not? So if we serve, if we satisfy Krishna's senses by doing Ahaituki devotional service, by doing Akinchana devotional service, Krishna will be pleased and then he will satisfy our senses. Somewhere somebody had said, I don't know. See, in Hindi only I know that. तुम वो करते हो जो तुम चाहते हो. तुम वो करो जो मैं चाहता हूँ, then मैं दूंगा जो तुम चाहते हो. It's a little critical, dicey, right? See what the Lord is saying. You want something and you do certain things. That is why you get what I want. Means what? I will give you only what you deserve. I will not give you what you want. But you start doing what I want, then I will give you what you want. You got it? So if you try to satisfy the senses of Krishna, Krishna will give what we want. Till then, we will give what we deserve. Okay? Hare Krishna. So Madhusudana also it's another Keshava. Same way here, Madhusudana. That is also in the same way. Arjuna is expecting Krishna would kill all his doubts. Also, Krishna killed the demon Madhu. So similarly, he is expecting here, Krishna will kill the doubt. The doubts are compared to demons here. Okay? So I hope you have understood this. The Govinda, please understand this word. Govinda is Krishna. If we try to satisfy Krishna's senses, he will satisfy our senses. See here again, order supplier. Trying to satisfy our own senses means we want Krishna to carry out our order. We will tell Krishna, I want this, this, this. You give me this, this, this. Right? Not like that. If we try to, by Lord's will, all his desires are satisfied. When he satisfies Krishna's desire, even living entity satisfies, come down. Living entity satisfy Krishna's senses, the Lord will give all the desires what we want. Our desires are satisfied. But opposite, we try to satisfy our own desires, then what will happen? Lord will satisfy to the extent they deserve, not they desire. Okay? So here, spiritual understanding is what? Devotee is ready to accept any opulence, what Krishna wants. We have to see what we want, we cook, right? And bhoga we make and we offer that only. What Krishna likes, if we cook and offer, he will automatically satisfy our tongue, desire of satiating our tongue. Do not complain otherwise if Krishna not desire. What happens if we do not satisfy Krishna's desire, then we cannot complain that Krishna is not giving me what I want. Arjuna, being a devotee, very kind-hearted, wants to forgive his relatives. Oh, he wants to forgive his, what happened? This was the last slide anyway. Okay. Okay, Hare Krishna. Any doubt anybody is having? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, tell me, Mataji.
Mataji, in verse number 1, so Dhritarashtra is addressing his son as his own son, and he is bifurcating Pandu son as Pandu sons.
Yeah.
But in again in 27 to 30, Arjuna is addressing his family as Swajana.
Yes, very nice. Beautiful realization.
Okay.
Excellent, Mataji.
Is it a same thing? Same, I think both we can compare both Dhritarashtra and Arjuna are in the same Maya, or in the same direction. They are thinking something like that. We can conclude, or is it different way?
Beautiful, Mataji, correct. Very nice doubt. See, he is in ignorance. Who? Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra is in ignorance. Okay, Mataji? So that is why he is distinguishing between the two. Arjuna is Krishna's devotee. That is why we saw all the good qualities. Arjuna is also in Maya. Just now we saw the realization, I am not this body. In the previous slide we saw, you remember? The bodily concept. Okay? Here. No, this one. Here, Arjuna is in bodily concept, Maya. Okay, Mataji? Material
Yes,
concept of life. Last one, it is given, no? So Arjuna is in the light. He is not in darkness. But what is happening? Since he is also materially inclined, he is bodily attached. Swajana. There is no Swajana, there is no Parajana. Okay? Very nice. Beautiful, Mataji. Both are
Thank
in
you,
Maya, but Dhritarashtra's Maya is in ignorance, darkness. Arjuna's Maya is in the light, but both are in Maya only. Okay, Mataji? Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji, for
Did
the
I
nice
answer your
explanation.
question, Mataji?
Yes. You have differentiated, Mataji. Difference
Okay,
between the darkness and
yeah.
the whatever Maya he had in Arjuna.
Exactly.
Thank you,
Actually,
Mataji.
we tell this, no, Mataji? 36
Yes.
will start tomorrow. We tell Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshur Unmilitamena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Right? We surrender to the Supreme Spiritual Master. So when we surrender to the Spiritual Master, Ajnanatimirandasya, Ajnanam is ignorance. The Spiritual Master brings us from the darkness of ignorance, and it brings us to the light. Since Arjuna is already a devotee of Krishna, but he is not elevated to that level. He is still in guna, rajoguna. The elevated devotee means what? Who has transcended all the three gunas. Arjuna has not transcended the three gunas. He is still in the rajoguna. And that is why he is in the bodily concept. But Duryodhana is in tamoguna. Duryodhana is in the tamoguna is ignorance. Rajoguna is action. For Arjuna, it is action. He has to fight now. But both of them are in, what do you call that? Both of them are subjected to three gunas. Once Arjuna, after Krishna's Upadesham, Arjuna will transcend from even Rajo to Sattva, Sattva to Vishuddha. Then he totally surrenders himself in the 18th chapter. Okay, Mataji? Hare
Okay,
Krishna.
Mataji. Thank you. Hare Krishna,
Hari
Mataji.
Bol, Hari Bol. Vanchakalpatarupasya kripa sindhu bhayavacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnavanda ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All glories to assembled devotees. Hare Krishna. All
Hare
glories
Krishna
to
Mataji,
Guru
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hari
Krishna.
Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna,
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 Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare.
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna,
Hare
Mataji.
Thank you
Krishna.
so much, dear devotees. And
Thank you
tomorrow,
so
who
much,
wants
Mataji.
to say the this prayer? Mangalacharan? Anybody?
Can I, Mataji?
Yeah, sure,
Lakshman.
Lakshman Prabhu. Yeah.
Hare
But you
Krishna.
have to remind me, okay, Prabhu? Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Hari
Thank
Hari
you, Hare
Bol.
Bol.
Thank you so much. With
Hare
your
Krishna
permission,
Mataji.
Mataji, you have a doubt?
No, Master.
No. Okay. I have a class today. So Thursday, pardon me. Okay?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
What
Yes,
I
Prabhu.
what I need to ask, I forgot.
Forgot. No problem. You have my
I'm
number.
talking to
No?
my younger brother while discussing with Mataji. Arjuna, Dhritarashtra was introduced. His son of his son and Arjuna was introduced his family. What Mataji? Asa
No, I
Mataji
didn't
was
get you, Prabhuji. I didn't understand your question.
before Asha Mataji, I think Asha Mataji, yeah.
Asha Mataji asked a doubt.
Ata Mataji was while you clarifying for family Arjuna.
Swajana. Mataji said
Swajana.
Swajana.
Right. What is Mataji? Swajana?
Swajan, our own people. Kith and
Okay,
kin in
okay.
English we say, no?
Yeah.
That is Swajana. Kinsman.
Okay.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
While I'm talking to my younger brother, he was just came to home. Thank you, Mataji.
Oh, there is no class for us today.
No
There-
class, Mataji.
There will be no class today as Aishwarya Mataji is in Kerala. Okay. Yes,
This is-
Prabhu, did your doubt cleared or no?
No, I understood, Mataji.
Understood. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mataji. But
Have you
I
all-
was in discussion with. That's why I actually am not getting what is the Swajana.
Swajana, Parajana,
I got Mataji.
Swadharma, Parodharma, Swadharma. Right? So Swa means self, Para means others. Okay, Prabhu?
Yeah, Dhritarashtra, he introduced, he think his younger brother sons are others. Right?
That's why. That's very wrong, no? His,
yes,
his
Mataji.
elder brother, actually. Sorry. Dhritarashtra is elder. But
Yes.
Dhritarashtra should not have treated younger brother's children at Parajana.
Yes, Mataji, yes.
Anna?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol. Nita Mataji, I saw your hand once, and are all of them filling the attendance, Mataji? There is one way to find out whether all are filled in attendance or not.
Yes, Mataji. I just wanted to say that only. I hope all are given the attendance.
Yeah, actually,
How will we check?
it is just as a gratitude for Naminishra Prabhu.
Okay.
1 minute it will take. So I want all of you. Naminishra Prabhu pays lakhs and lakhs of rupees for this Prime Zoom for the past how many years? From 2020 March month. Is it not? So what I'm requesting is, when he is able to spend so much, and you see the temple, he has constructed such a... Who all have seen Mangalore temple here? You have not seen Mangalore temple? Oh, you should. It is so amazing temple. And I have seen in that Zoom class only, not only Zoom class, I have physically also seen. The first time when I went to Mangalore for the soft inauguration, very, very first time. That time, even one small room was constructed. But that time only Prabhuji took the deities over there, because this place was rented and very, very congested. No place for satsang and all. So when I went first time for Mangalore, I directly went to the old center only. And I saw the old center, like 1 bedroom size it used to be. 10 by 12 size. That is all. There Prabhuji was conducting so many satsang, etc. And now you see the, what is that? Sannyasi Ashrama Prabhuji has constructed in the temple only. Every sannyasi ashrama, every room in that sannyasi ashrama will itself be bigger than the old center. Like that. So at least our gratitude to Naminishra Prabhu, because he expects this. Naminishra Prabhu wants everyone to come near Krishna, bring every soul nearer to Krishna. So as a gratitude to him, it is our foremost responsibility to fill in the attendance. Okay? Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, I don't know how to find out. I will learn and let you know, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Meanwhile, I'll just check with Kirti Mataji.
Yeah, you can, Mataji. You can.
Oh,
Easily.
okay.
Kirti Mataji is ever ready. See, again, devotees like Kirti Mataji, she lives in Australia.
I
But she
know.
manages so many things back end. They all are supporting. How many groups are there? How many departments are there? They all are supporting, right? So
Yes,
many devotees are working behind this classes.
yes,
So
yes,
we
Mataji.
should show
Because
our
we,
gratitude. No?
yes, Mataji, because we were waiting for that attendance, na?
Ah.
They were just passing the word to one another. Then I got to know that Kirti Mataji is going to do it. So I contacted Kirti Mataji and she has updated your name.
Got it done. Actually, Gunashri Mataji practically does this, Mataji.
Acha, acha, okay, Mataji.
Gunashri Mataji only adds. You know, so if any problem, Gunashri Mataji, if you ask, na, she will give all the. But Kirti Mataji also, she is
Yes,
also ever
Mataji.
ready. Only
Because-
problem is our working hours and our daytime and her daytime. I think 7 hours difference is there.
Yes,
And
yes,
she's
Mataji.
working also, but she's all the time ready to help. No issue.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
Mataji.
Hare
Because,
Krishna.
the person
Hari
was
Bol.
limited to one,
Hare
only
Krishna.
one
Thank you
person
so
can
much. I thank every one of you on behalf of ISKCON Bangalore temple. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.